Okay, well, we're a little late. Crystal got me my fish stick dinner. Thanks, son.
Yeah. You're welcome.
He's a pretty big one.
Oh, you're a nice fish.
Yeah. Wow. Very good.
Don't let him flop and get away.
Can't find the line.
Oh, where is it? Watch out.
Here, I'm just gonna cut it. Take the gaff.
I don't even.
Oh, I can see it.
Do you want me to? Do you want me to hold it?
There, I just pulled it off. That's okay. I'll get him on film, and there he is. He's a pretty good one.
He's a nice guy.
He'll be my dinner for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely not gonna lose him.
Let's hope.
Let's see how big he is. He's roughly, oh, looking like 18 and a half. I'll take him. Thank heavens for fish.